with me. Let's go. Maybe not. Are you gonna come, Bruce? Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, there he is. He got a haircut, so he doesn't have to get so hot. All right, where are we gonna start? Right here. Okay, here we go. Let's go with this. I haven't been really good at videotaping these last couple weeks, but I am just going to show mostly my long runs. And next week, I was supposed to do a 5K time trial last week, but my motivation hasn't been extremely high, so I'm going to do it next week, and for sure doing it next week. And then yeah, so anyway, here's my video for the last couple of weeks of long runs. To savor the smell in this woods. It smells absolutely like the best perfume you ever smelled. It's beautiful. I'm just going for a nice run today. There's lots of leaves on the trees. The only ones that are left are the walnuts, and they're starting. We have a bit of a black fly issue, but that's okay. It's not so bad. Not yet, anyway. This smells divine. To the river, we are blocked off with a huge tree. We had a huge storm yesterday, and it looks like throw in a few of the plants that have come up in the spring. I see them every year and I just love them. Love big old trees. Big old dead trees are interesting too. They still have things living in them and on them. Here we go. before I finish up my run. This is called giant horsetail, and it grows. I wonder where it grows. Near the evergreen. The spruce trees all along, all through, along the edge. Pretty cool. Lots of it. Here's the common chokeberry bushes. They are just amazing smelling right now. Oh my gosh. I mean, this whole corner still, even though they're faded, the whole corner smells so good. You can see the white flowers that they had on them. All the flowers are coming up, the petals are coming off, but it still has a really rich smell. Anyway, I love the smell of it. Anyway, I am almost done my run.